Greetings, brethren. Lately, I've been trying to brush up on my theological knowledge, and I've been looking through old heresies and everything else. And I also was looking through heresies of the Godhead doctrine, the issue we're going through, that the Father, Jesus Christ, is really the Father, and I think I found something close to it. Patripassianism is a branch off of modalism. It's a theological error dealing with the Godhead, which states that the Father became incarnate, was born, suffered, and died on the cross. Hence, the Father's passion, suffer on the cross. Yeah, I don't think they really go as far as to say that he suffered on the cross, but in a roundabout way, they do say it. In a roundabout way, they say, well, the Father is really the divine side, and Jesus Christ is just the body, the human flesh, the human flesh aspect. That's all he is. So they do say something like this. Another branch off of Sabellianism is monarchism. It's narrow concerning the nature of God that developed in the 2nd century. Arose attempt to maintain monotheism and refute tritheism. Unfortunately, it contradicts the Orthodox doctrine of the Trinity. Monarchism teaches that there's one God as one person, the Father. So they do so goes so far that there is only one God, the Father, that the Father is Jesus Christ and the Holy Spirit. The Father is the soul, the Son is the body, and the Holy Spirit's the Spirit. But they also say the Father is Jesus Christ and the Holy Spirit. That the Father's Holy Spirit too. So that's something like it. And I'm not sure. I mean, I think it's pretty close. I'm not sure if you can really qualify this as close enough as what they're teaching. Maybe someone can tell me that. That if it really classifies as their doctrine. So, also I want to show you, like, some early Christians say, like Tertullian wrote against Praxeas. So this is an ancient heresy that was dealt with long ago. It says, in various ways has the devil reveled and resisted the truth. Sometimes his aim has been to destroy the truth by defending it. He maintains that there is only Lord, the Almighty Creator of the world, in order that out of this doctrine of the unity he may fabricate a heresy. He says that the Father himself came down into the Virgin, was himself born of her, himself suffered, and indeed was himself Jesus Christ. So, yeah, they say the Father is himself Jesus Christ. The Father's in Jesus, in the body. The body is just the human flesh aspect is Jesus Christ, and the spirit aspect is the Father. So yeah, they pretty much say this. Also, in chapter 3, he writes, they're consistently throwing out against us that we are preachers of 2 gods and 3 gods, while they take to themselves preeminently the credit of being worshippers of one God, just as if the unity itself... worship of one God. Anyways, I was going to stop there. So, yeah, this is what I've been looking through, theological stuff, and ancient heresies, and especially focusing on this, the nature of God, the Godhead, and this issue has been popping up for recently for a long time, and this shows that it's just ancient heresies. I mean, Tertullian was early third century and second century before the Catholic Church. It's only 200s AD. It's pre-Nicene Creed. So, well, hopefully this helps you, and thank you and take care.